Hi guys, hello and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to make a ceiling silhouette painting on Autodesk Sketchbook mobile app. Create a new sketch, set the resolution to 2048 by 1556. The brush I'm using here is Paint Tapered. Now, let's use the Smudge Brush to blend the colors of the sky. Let's import an image for reference. Create a new layer and place it above the image. Now, zoom in your image and start tracing the hands. Use the option Fill to fill in the color. Select Draw Styles and under that Rectangle option to make buildings. Enhance the sky with dark and light shades. Use Glow Brush to paint building lights and street lights. Here, I'm creating the reflection in the water. Let's highlight the hands with a lighter shade. I'm importing another image for reference. Select Draw Styles and under that Line option. Select Transform and position the layer as so. Create the reflection effect by duplicating the layer and then apply Flip. Use Cashmere Eraser to blend the layer. Select Ruler and create lines for reference. Then, select Predictive Stroke, Level 3 and write your favorite quote. Select the brush Sharp Glaze to paint the stars. Let's enhance the sky a bit more. Add some more stars. Let's get that starry night effect. And you're done creating your painting. If you enjoyed watching this video, hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay creative.